Hello, I'm Kyle. I'm the technical content developer at Maple Systems. Welcome to the Maple Systems video training series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect remotely to your HMC4000 Series device. I will be using the VNC Viewer Application on a phone using Wi-Fi network and on a PC hardline with an Ethernet cable. I'm going to be using the digital output LED on and off sample project as an example. Here is a diagram of the remote network configuration for the VNC Viewer application. So first let me say that the VNC Viewer application is only available for the HMC4000 series. Also, your phone, tablet, or PC must all be on the same network. You can either remote into the HMC using Wi-Fi or hardlined into a router using an Ethernet cable. This dotted line here represents an Ethernet cable, and of course this symbol is Wi-Fi. The IP addresses for each device must all be on the same subnet, meaning that they all need to be on this 150 network. But the last octet, 100, 101, 102, 103, must be different, but they all have to be on that 150 network. For the Wi-Fi connection on your phone or tablet, whichever device you're connecting via Wi-Fi, you must connect to the network that is configured on the router here. The HMC device must be connected to that router using an Ethernet cable because it does not have any Wi-Fi capabilities. And then your PC would also have to be connected with an Ethernet cable or connected via Wi-Fi, whichever you prefer. If you do not have a phone or you are not using a phone, you can use the VNC Viewer app on your PC, connecting via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Again, all of the devices, the PC, the HMC, and the router must all be on the same network. They must all share the same subnet. Okay, let's dive right in. I am now going to walk you through the setup of VNC Viewer on your PC using a hardline Ethernet cable to connect. So you are looking at the VNC Viewer app, so you would need to install this app. And as far as connection goes, I'm using a router and I have my PC hardline using an Ethernet cable into that router, as well as the HMC device itself is also hardlined via Ethernet into that router. Now, once you install VNC Viewer, you next want to make sure that you can ping the IP address on the HMC device. And so when you open your command prompt, you are going to type ping and then type the IP address of the HMC device. And then hit enter. And we're getting a reply, so we know we are connected on the same network. The PC and the HMC device are on the same network and able to communicate to each other. So you can exit out of that. Now, you'll want to create an account with VNC Viewer, and once you do that, you'll sign in and enter your email, and then enter your password. Click sign in. And now you're signed in, and now you want to connect to your HMC device with VNC Viewer. Now to do that, here I have one created, but I'll show you how to connect to the HMC device. Go to File, New Connection, and under VNC Server, you can type the IP address or the host name. So I'm just going to type the IP address of the HMC device. And then you can name it something of your choice. I'm going to type HMC4070. And that's all you'll need to do here. You can also set up some security to authenticate using single sign-in SSO. You don't need to do this. I'll leave these checked off and just hit OK. And now here is a new device. And here is VNC Viewer. Now, as you can see, if you expand this, it looks a little distorted. To fix that, you can exit out of this, right click, hit Properties, go to Options, and then under Scaling, you can choose 100%, and picture quality, I would just leave on automatic, and then hit OK, and then double click on that HMC device again. Here it is again. Now if you expand it, the quality is much better. Now, you are now connected to your actual HMC device, so you would then click on Screen, and now you can control it on your PC, connected via Ethernet, hardlined into a router, and your HMC device is also connected via Ethernet into your router. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through the setup of VNC Viewer on your phone using Wi-Fi to connect. So the HMC device is still going to be hardlined via Ethernet cable into the router you're using, but your phone is going to be connected through Wi-Fi to that router. So you are now looking at VNC Viewer on my phone. Get started here, and assuming you already have an account created, you would sign in and enter your email, and then enter your password. Hit continue. Okay, now you are signed in. Now these are already some HMC devices I've already connected to show you how you would connect on your phone. I will create a new one here. So at the top right, click the plus sign, and then you're going to enter the IP address of your HMC device. Name it HMC4070 or whatever you want to name it. Hit save. Then you get to this screen. You can, of course, change your interaction to touch panel, or you can make it seem like you're using a mouse. I'm going to use touch panel. You can also do a view only. I'm going to use touch panel in this instance. And then hit connect. And you'll get this message of unencrypted connection. You can either leave this up to show every time, or you can click warn me every time and it turns that off. So then hit connect. And now you're connected to the HMC device via VNC Viewer on your phone through Wi-Fi. Skip tutorial, control the computer, hit next. And it's also going to show you how to control using the touch panel mode. If you click mouse, it would show you how to control with the mouse. So I'm going to hit done. Zoom out, and now you can see the HMC device. So you're now looking at the actual LED light and the VNC Viewer on my phone. So I'm going to turn the LED light on, and we are now controlling our HMC device through VNC Viewer on our phone. This concludes the video. To get more information, please visit the How to Connect Remotely to an HMC4000 Series using the VNC Viewer Application tutorial page on the Maple Systems website. Thank you for watching.